Jazzy Braidz, and also welcome to our sew-in tutorial. Let's get started. We are doing a full sew-in, concealing an area of concern. The hair is shorter on the crown than we would like it to be, so we're going to grow it out for our clients. Our braids are not going to go straight back with our install. We are actually going to curve them just a bit in order to be softer on the hairline. So if you have been wearing lace front units at all, or if you've been wearing hats quite a bit, if there is a install where it's been pulling on one area more than another, sew-ins are actually going to be of assistance, mainly because they're able to put the hair where you want it to be and leave it there.
Told you gon' put your glass up and let's celebrate.
Glass slip over your haze. Raise your glass slip over your haze.
Gon' put your glass up and let's celebrate.
We've been at this for quite some time now.
So I'm having the cornrows heading towards the back, but they're not going straight back. I don't want to put a consistent amount of tension on the braid to have them pulling directly from the hairline. Instead, I'm having them wave on the hairline. This is going to keep the area of concern as a focus, but it's not going to keep the area of concern an area of concern. So again, I'm riding the hairline. That's what I call it anyway. We are doing cornrows with hair added. We're using our Scalp Scripts growth ointment on the scalp, and on the actual hair follicle, we are using a gel in order to hold the braids in place and make them a bit more water resistant. Water is a natural conditioner, natural softener. Therefore, we don't want the braids to get soft and start shifting. So I put something on there to help it out. All right. So this is how we are doing this base. So this is a growth encouraging style because this synthetic hair that I have added in is going to insulate the scalp. So it's going to trap the moisture that her scalp creates. Sweat. It's going to mix that with the oils, with everything that is in the growth ointment to encourage growth. It basically acts as a miracle grow, and so that once you are trapping that miracle grow product with your hair and keeping it still, then we are definitely accelerating growth.
Looking forward to spending the rest of my life with you.
Gon' put your glass up and let's celebrate. Gon' put your glass up.
Hello and welcome back to Jazzy Braidz. Because I am trying to provide volume for this client with her sewing, what we are doing is we are using the net so that we can attach at any point on the net. We aren't limited to where the braids are sitting at the moment.
From day one, girl, you've been mine. Full of lust, but it's real love. Butterflies to the sight of her. I just wanna speak. Locked in since day one. My heartbeat play your song. Trapped in a matrix, you're the one. My flowers bloom under your sun. Queen boss. Baby girl got me lost. I'm drinking every sip of your sauce, and it tastes like life.
Right now I'm adding itch oil, but we want to reduce the itching, especially on the crown. When there is a growth accelerating style and a growth encouraging style, a lot of times because you notice the increased blood flow, it can encourage itching. Ta-da!